To get started, sign up for Elementor using the first link below in the video description. Right now, you can get 75% off of your first year by using that link, but it'll always give you the best deal that we currently have at the time. Website hosting allows us to rent space on a server to store our website files. That way, our website will be live 24/7. To see the plans that Elementor has for WordPress hosting, let's first click See Plans. Elementor is a page builder, and page builders allow us to set up our website without any coding. Instead, we will create our website with easy-to-use drag-and-drop widgets. Elementor's plans include hosting and their page builders, and they work nicely together. Everything that I show you in this video can be created with the core builder. We can always upgrade later if we need to, so under the Lite plan, click Buy Now. Next, we're going to sign up and create an account for Elementor. Create My Account. Then we can enter our billing information. After that, we can enter our payment method. And once entered, click Pay Now. You may receive this AI starter offer, but just scroll down and select Start Creating Your Website. After that, you'll land on the Elementor onboarding flow, but I'll walk you through everything you need so we can save some time by skipping this and clicking the X in the top right-hand corner. Here we see the Elementor dashboard, and we have a notification that we need to verify our email. This is important for finishing our sign up and hosting, so let's open our email inbox in a new tab. Find the email from Elementor with the subject, Please confirm your email address. Open that, and then click Confirm your email. You can return to your dashboard by clicking Go to My Elementor here. Refreshing your original Elementor dashboard is going to bring you to that same place here on the Websites tab, so I'll close this additional tab. Now that we have Elementor as our hosting plan, we can begin the process of installing WordPress. Click Create a Hosted Website in the top right. Then select Use this subscription under the plan that we just created. Because we're starting from scratch, let's select Create New Site. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to give your website a custom domain. The custom domain is just the name of your website, and we already have a free one included with our plan. It's easy to set up, but it can take some time to process. So let's continue with our WordPress setup for now, and click Skip and Use Temporary Domain. Elementor then tells us our site is ready. Let's click Complete Your Site Setup. Now you may land on this access restricted page here. If you do, no worries. For my testing, it's a small glitch in Elementor's process. Simply open a new tab and sign back into Elementor. You should see this page, and then you're back on track. I'm going to move this tab over and close our error. Let's hover over our Elementor hosted website and click on Open WP Dashboard. WordPress has been installed, and we're now logged into the WordPress admin dashboard. This is the back end of our website, and we'll visit this often as we are customizing our website. Before we start using the Elementor page builder, there are a few things that we should clean up within the WordPress dashboard to start completely from scratch. Let's do that now. I'm going to close this and dismiss this. Under the Screen Options menu, let's uncheck all of these screen elements. Now our dashboard looks nice and clean. Next, if we visit Posts, All Posts, we can hover over our Hello World post and click Trash. Then from the trash bin, we can delete this post permanently. We can do the same thing in Pages, All Pages, and if we hover over Sample Homepage, More Options, click Trash, then visit the trash, and similarly, we can delete this page permanently. Now that we've cleaned up some things that we don't need, let's go to Settings in the left-hand menu to change a few important things in there. In General Settings, we see our site title and tagline. If we look in our WordPress admin bar, we can see our site title here as well. Let's change both of these to things specific to your website. I'll add Dan's Simple WordPress Tutorial, and let's learn Elementor and WordPress. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Now our site title has changed in the menu bar up here. Command-click on Mac or Control-click on Windows will open our site in a new tab, and to see our site title and tagline changes take effect. Let's close this for now. Back in Settings, under the Discussion tab here, let's disable Allow people to submit comments on new posts. This will help limit the amount of spam comments, so we can scroll down and save changes.